How to use Copilot to create amazing AI images. Launch Copilot and enter a prompt for the image you want to create in the Copilot chat window. For example, can you create a portrait of the classroom with 10 students involving group discussion and 5 students in each group facing each other? Wait for Copilot to generate 4 images based on our prompt. Can customize the images with further prompts and suggestions by clicking on them or typing them in the chat window. Microsoft Copilot allowing us to easily get AI-generated images. Here's how to go about it. Save and share the images with others by clicking on them and opening them in Microsoft Edge. We can download them to your computer or copy the link to share them. Image Creator helps us to generate images based on your words with AI. Always review and verify the responses you get from Copilot. Copilot is built upon large language models, advanced tools designed to predict and generate images too. Subscribe my channel for upcoming new video of AI tools.